I get excited every year dipping berries at Schnucks because it allows me and my team to be more creative and just to see the looks on customer faces when they actually see us dip or when they see them already packaged on the floor. It's nice to see that wow factor, saying like, oh, I never seen these before, because we only offer them twice a year, so they get very excited when Valentines come around and they know that they can get these only at Schnucks. I take pride in my work and anything that comes out of my bakery. If it doesn't look right, then we're not gonna sell it. So we make and hand dip every berry to perfection to satisfy the customer's need and have them coming back for more.